Good morning, children. Children, in chapter first, we have learned about food, food ingredients, food varieties, sources of food, and different type of food habits, eating habits in different type of animals. Today, I am going to start chapter second, components of food. In this chapter, we will learn about different type of nutrients, components of food, their importance in our life. Nutrients. Food ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. Substances in food that your body needs to function properly to grow, repair itself, and supply you with energy. We have 6 basic nutrients in our diet: carbohydrates, fats, minerals, proteins, vitamins, and water. First major nutrient is carbohydrate. There are many types of carbohydrates, and the main carbohydrates found in our food are in the form of sugar and starch. Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are all about energy and are found in food like fruits, vegetables, breads, pasta, and dairy products. Your body uses these foods to make glucose, which is your body's main energy source. Glucose is a type of sugar that can be used right away for energy or stored away to be used later. Test for starch. Take a small quantity of a food item or a raw ingredient. Put 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it. Observe if there is any change in the color of the food item. Did it turn blue-black? A blue-black color indicates that it contains starch. With the help of this activity, we can detect the presence of starch in our food items. The next major nutrient is fat. Functions of fats in our body: provide energy, form a part of the cell membrane, form tissues that protect your internal organs, and insulate your body. Fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Fats-rich foods are nuts, seeds, oil, different type of oils we can take from different type of seeds, for example, mustard, coconut, etc. Test for fats. Take a small quantity of a food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Now, straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Does it have an oily patch? Hold the paper against a light. Are you able to see the light faintly through this patch? An oily patch on paper shows that the food item contains fat. With the help of this activity, we can detect very easily the presence of fat in our food. The next major nutrient is protein. Food containing proteins are often called body-building foods. What are the importances of protein? Build, maintain, and repair all your body cells, supports healthy bones, muscles, and skin growth, supports healthy eyes and vision, supports a strong immune system. Protein-rich foods are egg, chicken, meat, pulses, etc. Test for protein. Take a small quantity of a food item for testing. If the food you want to test is a solid, you first need to make a paste of it or powder it. Grind or mash a small quantity of the food item. Put some of this in a clean test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. Now, Using a dropper, add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solution of caustic soda to the test tube. Shake well and let the test tube stand for a few minutes. What do you see? Did the contents of the test tube turn violet? A violet color indicates presence of proteins in the food items. So, in this way, we can easily detect the presence of protein in our daily food items. The next topic is fiber. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plants, products in our foods, whole grains and pulses. Potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main sources of roughage. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but is an essential component of our food and adds to it bulk. This helps our body get rid of undigested food. So, in this way, we can clean our body with the help of dietary fibers. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins help in protecting our body against disease and also help to maintain our body healthy and to maintain our health. Vitamins are chemical compounds required in very small quantities which are essential for normal and health metabolism. According to the solubility, we have 2 categories of vitamins, water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin C, vitamin B. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A and vitamin D. Minerals are inorganic substances needed in small amounts by all cells for normal functioning. The next topic is balanced diet. A diet which contains different types of food possessing the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water in a proportion to meet the requirement of the body. Why a balanced diet is important? Body's organs and tissues need proper nutrition to work effectively. Without good nutrition, body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and poor performance. Children with a poor diet run the risk of growth and developmental problems. Bad eating habits can continue for the rest of their lives. Deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases, a person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. In this chart, we can easily see different types of deficiency diseases. Vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A causes loss of vision and the symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi and the symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Next vitamin is vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy and the symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets and the symptoms are bone becomes soft and bent. And the next mineral is calcium. Deficiency of calcium causes bone and tooth decay. The symptoms are weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter and the symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. The next mineral is iron. Deficiency of iron causes anemia and the symptom is weakness. So children, Today, we have learned about all the nutrients, components of food, balanced diet, the importance of all the nutrients in our daily life, and different type of deficiency diseases because of lack of deficiency of specific type of vitamin and mineral. Thank you.